Welcome to EnrSaver. This is our production line to produce lithium batteries. We look here. So this is the last part to assemble a top quality lithium battery. This part we called cables arrangement. We can have a look inside. Every cells will have some sensors here. One is used to test the voltage and the other to test the temperature. So every cell will be connected with sensors, and the cables must be bondaged well, organized well to go to the terminals, connection terminals. So this is part is very important to make sure the battery have optimal performance and be safe during a long-term running. Look at this part, the sticky here used to seal the battery and make it waterproof. So it's also important to make sure the battery running well in a long term. And this part we will install the BMS inside. Here is the top quality BMS. BMS is used to manage every battery cells to make them perform well, and also if there is any risk for any cells, the BMS will skip the cell and protect the battery. So the BMS is very important to keep the battery running safely in long term. It's very important. And these are cables to connect BMS, and this is for communication. So this is the last part, and those part will be the sealing. We will seal the battery with case, then the battery will be assembled well completely.